Honorable Principal and my dear school fellows, Assalamu alaikum. Dear audience, nations are made in a crisis. The defense of a nation is not strengthened by weapons but by the emotions and courage of the people. Today's gathering is a chance to remember and ensure ourselves that Pakistan is a country that is created to last till doomsday. Dear fellows, September 6 is the Defense Day of Pakistan, a day when an enemy tried to overpower the great nation and failed. The Indian forces attacked Pakistani soil in dark. They thought that the whole country will be sleeping, but to their surprise, our great soldiers were present to defend this great of Pakistan. This day is a tale of resilience, courage and sacrifices made by the soldiers of Pakistan Army. The great air force of this nation showed wonderful miracle. The officers like M.M. Alam, Major Aziz Bhatti and many more set examples of courage and bravery. September 6 is an occasion to recall our brave soldiers, our martyrs who laid down their lives for the country and the courage and emotion of this great nation, who stood up by our armed forces. In this day, we cannot forget the bravery and courage of our soldiers. So we have held a program in our school for dedicating the martyr of war 1965. कुरान की तलावत से आगाज हो महफिल का, इस नूर से पा जाएं हम रास्ता मंजिल का. Dear audience, as you know, we are Muslims. Our every program also start with the recitation of holy verses of Quran Pak. For recitation, I would like to call Alia Abbas from class 10th. सफ़े फ़िक्र को तहरीर अता करता है, लफ्ज़ हर लफ्ज़ को तफसीर अता करता है. सिर्फ दिन को ही मुनव्वर नहीं रखा इसने, शब की ज़ुल्मत में भी तनवीर अता करता है. फारमदे बारी ताला, I invite Miss Nazir Sabah from class 7th. जज़ाकल्लाह. लबों से फूल झड़ते हैं जब ये नात पढ़ते हैं, ज़बां की सुर्ख कैंची से हजारों दिल कतरते हैं. For नाते रसूल मकबूल सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम, I would like to call Muhammad Soban from class 7th. जज़ाकल्लाह. ज़ल्ज़लों की न दस्तरस हो कभी, ए वतन तेरी इस्तकामत तक, हम पे गुजरे क़यामतें लेकिन तू सलामत रहे क़यामत तक. Now let's start our program with a beautiful national song, Mere Watan Ye Aqeedatein. For this national song, I invite Miss Alisha Hassan from class 6 to come on stage and make us happy with your enchanting voice. So raise your hands for welcome to Miss Alisha. Marvelous performance. मेरा दुश्मन मुझे ललकार के जाएगा कहाँ, हक़ का तेश हूँ अफलाक की दश्त हूँ मैं. Now I invite the tiny student of class PG to present a tableau on a beautiful national song. So please raise your hands up. Great performance. Dear audience, now we arrange a quiz program related to Yawm-e-Difaa Pakistan. So please be attentive. At the end of this program, I would like to invite Principal Sir to come on stage and enlighten our hearts and minds about some useful information about Pakistan Defense Day. Thank you, sir. Before concluding the program, I request all the participants to get up from their seats and sing the national anthem together with renewed enthusiasm. Thanks a lot for your coming here.